Welcome, friends. Today, we'll explore the answers to three of the universe's most fascinating and profound questions. 1. What would we see if we could travel at the speed of light? 2. How can the universe expand faster than the speed of light? 3. When, how, and why will our sun eventually die? Let's dive in, starting with the sun. Number 1. The end of the sun. Our sun, along with the entire solar system, was born approximately 4.5 billion years ago. It's estimated that our sun will continue to shine for about another 5 billion years before it reaches the end of its life cycle. The sun is a massive star, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, and is one of the more than 200 billion stars in our galaxy, classified as a G2 type star. The sun is among the 10% of stars in our galaxy that share similar characteristics. Now, what's crucial to understand here is the ongoing process inside our sun. Every second, the sun converts around 657 million tons of hydrogen into 653 million tons of helium. The difference of approximately 4 million tons doesn't just vanish. It gets converted into energy, which radiates outward into space and reaches Earth as sunlight. This continuous conversion means that the sun is gradually losing mass. But how long can this process continue? For about another 5 billion years, the sun will keep burning in this way. Currently, it's in its midlife, at its strongest. However, as time goes on, the sun will slowly exhaust the hydrogen at its core. When this happens, the core's temperature will rise, causing the sun to swell up and become a red giant, growing to about 100 times its current size. At this stage, helium will begin to fuse into carbon in the sun's core. Eventually, the sun will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a hot, dense core, a white dwarf. Over time, this white dwarf will cool and fade, becoming a cold, dark remnant, essentially a dead star. As the sun nears its end, it's likely that Earth and the entire solar system will be uninhabitable long before the sun finally fades away. However, this process will unfold over billions of years, so there's no immediate cause for concern. This cycle of destruction and creation has been ongoing in the universe since its birth and will continue indefinitely. Countless solar systems have formed and perished, and new ones will continue to emerge in the future. This is the unchanging truth of the universe. Number 2. Traveling at the speed of light. It's a dream shared by many to travel at the speed of light. Light travels at an incredible speed of 299,792 kilometers per second. That's fast enough to reach the moon and back in just over 2 seconds. But what would it be like to travel at such an incredible speed through our galaxy? In reality, the experience of traveling at or near the speed of light would be drastically different from what we might imagine. The universe itself would become a dangerous obstacle course. Although space is mostly empty, there are still many particles and elements present. Even in the vast emptiness of space, at the speed of light, hydrogen atoms would become highly dangerous, turning into radioactive waves capable of harming a person or damaging a spacecraft. Additionally, tiny particles in space could collide with such force that they might destroy the spacecraft and its occupants. Therefore, traveling at the speed of light isn't just improbable, it's also extremely dangerous. But let's imagine for a moment that someone could somehow travel at the speed of light. What would they see? As they approach light speed, their field of vision would begin to expand, allowing them to see a wider view than we can with our eyes. However, as they reach the speed of light, the universe would seem to stretch away from them. Suddenly, they'd be engulfed in a blinding white light, and then everything would disappear. There would be nothing left to see, and time would appear to stop. If the spacecraft were to slow down on a distant planet, the traveler would begin to see again. Essentially, traveling at the speed of light would mean witnessing only the beginning and the end of the journey. Everything in between would be unobservable, as time and space would blur into nothingness. Number 3. The universe expanding faster than the speed of light. The speed of light is considered the ultimate speed limit in the universe. with no known object able to move faster than this. However, this rule doesn't apply to the universe itself. The universe is expanding at a rate faster than the speed of light, a fact we've learned thanks to the precise measurements of the Hubble Space Telescope. According to the widely accepted Big Bang Theory, the universe was born about 13.8 billion years ago. If the universe expanded at the speed of light, it would only be 13.8 billion light years across. But in reality, the universe spans approximately 93 billion light years, proving that it is expanding faster than light. How is this possible? Scientists believe that the force driving this rapid expansion is dark energy, along with dark matter. These mysterious components make up about 95% of the universe, with only 5% being visible matter: planets, stars, galaxies, and other observable phenomena. Dark matter is responsible for the gravitational forces that keep stars and galaxies bound together, preventing them from drifting apart. It doesn't interact with light, making it invisible to us, and it's made up of unknown particles that we haven't yet discovered. On the other hand, dark energy is what's causing the universe to expand. Imagine the universe as a balloon that's being inflated. Its surface expands, causing galaxies to move away from each other. But unlike a balloon, which expands into the surrounding air, the universe is expanding into itself. This expansion doesn't mean the universe has an edge or that it's expanding into something else. It's an internal process, and it raises the intriguing question: what lies at the edge of the universe? And what, if anything, is beyond it? For a deeper dive into these mysteries, be sure to check out our detailed video linked in the description below. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned to Universal Facts for more fascinating and scientific knowledge. Have a great day and take care.